Hare Krishna to all devotees. According to great Vaishnava Acharya, Sri Rupa Goswami Pad, he is saying in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu that the first step of Hari Bhajan is firm faith to Sri Krishna. Ado Sardha Tato Sadhu Sangashcha Bhajan Kriya Narartha Nivritti. The first, where from our Hari Bhajan we start, that is Sardha. Sardha means firm faith. If we have no faith on Krishna, then we cannot know, we cannot feel, we cannot realize the value of the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. If we have no faith on Sri Krishna, then we cannot worship to Krishna. If we have no faith on Krishna, then we cannot chant the holy name of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. So, the faith, if we have faith on Krishna, that Sri Krishna is Almighty, Sri Krishna is omnipotent, Sri Krishna is omniscient, He can do everything, He can sustain and maintain to me in every circumstances. Then Bhagavad Bhakti will start. Another great Vaishnava, the personal associate of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, our Guru Varga, is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He wrote in his book, Bhajan Rahasya book, The Secrets of Bhajan. In that book, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote, by Sukritis, the person can get faith on Sri Krishna. By the Sukritis, we can get the firm faith on Sri Krishna. If any person has very less Sukriti, then automatically that person has very less faith on Krishna. If person has so many Sukritis, then the person will realize so much of faith, firm faith on Sri Krishna. Now, the question rises that how we can get Sukritis, how we can earn Sukritis, how we can collect Sukritis, because everything depends on Sukriti. For that purpose, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Prabhu kahe kahilam ei mahamantra, Iha japogiya sabe kori anirbandha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying that every day you have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with fixed number. You are getting taste or not, don't worry about that. Just you do your duty. For satisfaction of Krishna, for satisfaction of your Gurudev, You chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with fixed number. When you will chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you will get Sukritis. You are observing Ekadashi. By observing Ekadashi, you will get Sukritis. You are taking Charanamrita, you are worshipping to Krishna. Knowingly and unknowingly, you are getting Sukritis. By Sukritis, you will realize what is your relationship with Krishna, and you will realize the firm faith on Krishna. And Rupa Goswami Pad is saying, if you have faith on Krishna, then you can go ahead in a spiritual line. You can do perfectly bhajan. So, today I want to say only one thing. The first step of Hari Bhajan is Sardha. Sardha means firm faith on Sri Krishna. And that firm faith you can get by Sukritis. And you have to collect Sukritis. You have to earn Sukritis by chanting Harinam, by observing Ekadashi Vrat, by doing Dandavat Pranam to the Vaishnavas, by doing Dandavat Pranam to the Supreme Lord, by doing Mandir Parikrama, these things. So, if you like, or if you don't like, don't worry about that. You are getting taste or not, don't worry about that. Just you do your sadhana. By doing these sadhana, you will get Sukritis and firm faith and the transcendental taste of Harinam and Hari Bhakti. Hare